The human mind is the greatest miracle. Unfortunately, most people experience it as a misery manufacturing machine that is constantly turning against them. Meditation is that process through which you learn to operate this mind so that it functions as a miracle. We are launching the Miracle of Mind app, which will offer you a simple meditative process that you can do anywhere to bring a sense of peace, joy and exuberance into your life, to create mental health, emotional stability and balance.
Own your day in just 7 minutes with the Miracle of Mind app.
Offered by Sadhguru Gurukulam, Sadhana Pada is a 7-month residential program designed for those looking to establish balance, clarity and emotional stability, seeking spiritual growth and to live an intense and energetic life. The program has transformed the lives of thousands of people. Designed by Sadhguru, Sadhana Pada will help you enhance your capabilities to handle personal and professional situations with grace and equanimity. Designed by Sadhguru, the 21-week Hatha Yoga teacher training program is an unparalleled opportunity to learn and offer the ancient science of classical Hatha Yoga in its pristine purity.
We want to train thousands of teachers across the planet to teach yoga as it should be taught, in its classical form, because this is not an exercise, this is a way of realigning your system to the cosmic geometry so that you are a perfect receptacle of everything that's worth knowing. If you're feeling tension, anxiety, your own intelligence is turned against you. If you understand all human experience is coming from within, how can you not engineer yourself to perfection? Inner engineering essentially means to bringing yourself to a state where all the faculties of being human works for you.
Register for Inner Engineering and in 7 steps, empower yourself to create a joyful and fulfilling life. Sadhguru Exclusive is a unique video streaming platform with the largest catalog of authentic mysticism. Explore original series such as Mysteries of Tibet, Secrets of Chakras, Powerful Consecrations by Sadhguru, Mahabharata, Sacred Serpent, Code of Karma, and much more.
These materials are things we have spoken in close groups. They are very potent stuff beyond what is generally offered to the public.
Register now to get access to unreleased videos.
So most of you probably have never tasted hunger. If we don't eat for 2 days, life is slipping away from our hands. So annadana, don't see it as food, it is life. Most important part of mother is, she continuously did annadanam to you. If that one thing she had not done, would you love her, I'm asking you? So annadanam is for you to exercise your privilege of being a mother to the world.
Know the joy of fulfillment by contributing towards Maha Annadanam, the sacred offering of food, and to the Mahashivratri arrangements at Isha Yoga Center.
Project Samskriti is an endeavor to nurture and showcase the magnificence of Indian classical arts, including music, dance and Kalaripayattu, as possibilities for transformation and inner growth. Envisioned by Sadhguru, Project Samskriti offers programs led by Sadhguru Gurukulam Samskriti's advanced students and alumni who have undergone years of rigorous training and live with an experiential understanding of the impact of these arts.
அனைவர்க்கும் அடியேன் அப்பாலும் அடி சார்ந்த